Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have data, so begin by sampling and cleaning it now. First, remove duplicates and standardize formats so the model sees consistent inputs. This reduces noise and speeds training. Next, create a minimal labeling scheme. Keep it tight and machine-readable, so labels map directly to desired outputs. Once done, split a small validation set and prepare a training folder structure. Make sure to back up originals and document formats so you can reproduce the pipeline later. You now configure the training run and start executing it. If the task is classification or generation, fine-tune a pre-trained model. For search and Q&A, embed your data and build an index. Once configured, pick sensible hyperparameters, moderate learning rate, small batch size for limited data, and enable early stopping. As training proceeds, watch validation loss and metric curves. If metrics stall, reduce learning rate or add regularization. Make sure to log runs so you can compare setups and reproduce. You finish by rigorously evaluating and then deploying the model with safety checks. First, run focus tests on edge cases and measure accuracy plus response time. If performance is acceptable, deploy to staging and run shadow traffic to compare. Once live, monitor metrics and set automated alerts for concept drift or latency spikes. If issues arise, the key troubleshooting step is to inspect validation examples and model errors. Retrain with corrected labels or more diverse samples, and roll out incrementally to avoid regressions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.